Okay, welcome back. In my previous video, we purchased a domain and a hosting plan. Now we need to install WordPress and get the website up and running with some content on it. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to navigate to Godaddy and click Sign In. Put in your information. And the first thing we need to do is add the domain onto the hosting account. We're going to come over here, click on your name, and click on My Products. Open it up, click on Manage. Don't click the Manage All. Click on cPanel Admin. And click on Add-on Domains. So my new domain is howtodoit.pro. And click Add Domain. Okay, so now we have added howtodoit.pro. Okay, so let's just close this and go back to cPanel Admin. And scroll down to Software. We're going to install WordPress now. So Installatron Applications Installer, click on that. And then click on Applications Browser. And you can see all the applications you can add. These are like forums, like where anybody can come in and post. These are content management systems. These are to manage your blogs. By far WordPress is the most popular, has the most themes, so you can style it the way that you like for a magazine or a gallery or a store, and it also has the most plugins for functionality. So click on WordPress. Now click on Install this application. And click here and scroll down until you find the domain that you want to put it on. The HTTPS is secure with a SSL certificate. We'll get into that later. It's really important. And we're going to talk a little bit about website security because that's critically important. So for right now, we're going to just put it on the HTTP. Right here, we don't want a directory for what we're doing. We just want it to be on How to Do It Pro. If you put it on a directory, then whenever someone enters this, it has to have that directory name appended on the end here. So we don't want to do that. Accept the license agreement. You can pretty much leave everything here as it is. One thing that you want to change is here. So this is going to be your login information for your website so that you're able to modify it and make changes and add content. You can use your name and come up with a unique password. For this, I'm just going to put password. And here you want to put your email that you typically use, because if there's any problems with your website or anything like that, that's where the emails are going to come. And later when we set up contact forms, all that, that's where notifications from there will come from. You can just leave this alone. We'll modify all that later. Just leave all this alone. this can stay the same, and click install and let it process. So how you log into your website is put your website name in, then a / and WP-admin, which we're going to change that later also. Then put your login information here. So this is kind of like the first welcome screen. We're not going to use this. Okay, so we are in our website. This is the back end of your website. We can click here. Will actually take us to our website. Hold down the control key so it opens in a new tab. And here's the website. So right now this is just filled with all of the standard stuff that comes in the WordPress installation. So in order to customize this, we're going to click here on Customize. And Site Identity, and now we're going to name it. And then we click Publish. And now click back over here on our dashboard, hold down the control key, and click on our My Blog thing here. And you can see that now the headline is How to Do It Pro, the name of my website, and our tagline, Online Tutorials. Okay, so we have installed WordPress on Godaddy, and in the next video we will start customizing our website and getting rid of some of this filler text that comes with the theme. So join us on our next video, and we'll see you then.